So today we have to start with the next chapter, and that chapter is economic importance of bacteria. So first we should understand what is economic importance. Right now you are listening many news related to economy of our country. So if any living organism is giving you benefits in context of the economy, okay, then such importance is known as economic importance. Okay, like bacteria is useful for many of the food industry and the pharmaceutical industry. So when we are studying such aspects of bacteria, then that particular topic will be known as economic importance of bacteria. So before starting with the economic importance, we must know the different structural, characteristic, habitual features of bacteria. So bacteria is a member of kingdom Monera. In the previous year, you have already studied about the 5 kingdom classification. And in the 5 kingdom classification, the whole living world is divided into 5 kingdoms. These kingdoms were kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Plantae, and kingdom Animalia. Okay, so the whole living world were divided into these 5 kingdoms. The individuals or the organisms belonging to kingdom Monera is the most simplest form of life, whereas the organisms belonging to kingdom Animalia is the most complex forms of life. So the evolution has occurred from kingdom Monera towards the kingdom Animalia. Clear? So bacteria is the most primitive organism. That is why it is a member of kingdom Monera. Then it is unicellular. Okay, unicellular, it means they are made up of single cell. Then they are prokaryotic. You know what is the difference between the prokaryotic and the eukaryotic cell. So pro, it means primitive. Pro, it means primitive, and karyon, it means nucleus. So when the organisms possess primitive type of nucleus, when the nucleus or the genetic material is not bounded inside the nucleus or nuclear membrane, then it is known as what? Prokaryotic. So they don't have a well defined nucleus. Their genetic material is simply scattered in the cytoplasm. Okay, so such cells are known as prokaryotic cells. Now they don't have chlorophyll. Okay, so when they don't have chlorophyll, which mode of nutrition they will perform? Heterotrophic. It means they will be dependent on other organisms to get their food. Okay, now we have to see bacteriology is a branch of biology in which we study about bacteria, and the bacteriology is a sub branch of microbiology. So biology will have various branches. In one of the branches microbiology, and one of the branch of microbiology is what? Bacteriology. Okay, so this is simply the structure of bacteria. There is capsule, there is cell wall, there is plasma membrane, cytoplasm, ribosomes are there, plasmid is there, pili is there. Okay, nucleoid, it means devoid of nucleus. So circular DNA is there, they don't have a well defined nucleus, and bacterial flagellum. All these structural features we will study in the next class in detail. Now bacteria is said to be omnipresent. Omni, it means everywhere. Like God is omnipresent, bacteria is also omnipresent. It is found everywhere. Okay, so where it is found? It is found in air, it is found in water, it is found in soil, it is found on food stuffs. It is found on the living organism as well as inside the living body of the organisms. Like inside our intestine, many bacteria is there which helps in the synthesis of vitamin B12 or cobalamin, and this vitamin is very essential for the normal metabolism of all the cells of our body. It is able to survive the acidic condition also. It is able to survive in the hot springs also. It is able to survive on radioactive waste also. Even it is found on the coldest conditions also. So this bacteria is able to survive at each and every place of this earth. So that is why bacteria is said to be omnipresent. So certain times in reasoning based questions it may be asked. So justify the statement that bacteria is found everywhere. So why bacteria is able to found everywhere? Because of their structural features we will discuss in the next class, which makes them to survive in all the living habitats. Okay. So this is all for today. Thank you everyone.